In here, this is our control room. We have a QuadraTouch Pro controller and a QuadraTouch Classic. Then we have some fan heater controls, motors, some test stuff hooked to a Kaler control panel, just a manual batch. This we use on easy dries just as a retro for an inexpensive controller for a batch easy dry. This here is the old Auto Dry Millennium, the soak up dryer controller for the old 4-way systems. Then over here we have a next gen sweep controller for the Hutch bin sweep. Then we have a little display station for the Multica to show how their switches work. Here we have a Multica control panel, and built by Multica. We do a lot of automation panels with them for running complete grain systems. Then we walk over here, we have a Shivers, the CompuDry Command Center test station. And then here we have the old an EMCS tower dryer controller all set up. This is all wired up that we can run everything for training on tech support or for learning how to do service work. And we have the complete, everything inside the panels works. Here we have a competitor controller, Series 2000 competitor controller, the GSI portable dryer controls. Then here we have the Series 2000 auto flow controls for the GSI top dries. And there we have the burner controller for it. And in here we're gonna have Series 2000 GSI batch. This room is kind of it's a new thing for us here in the last year that we're just slowly putting together. And here we have a DryTech Plus farm fans, which is same thing as a GSI, same parts and everything as a GSI Vision controller, just with different stickers on it. And then we go over here and we have a Evergreen controller, the Evergreen top dry controls made by Sydenham Agri Controls. If you want to find them online, Sydenham Agri Controls. We ended up stealing our dump chute actuator. This is a top dry auto flow or auto batch controller, and we stole the actuator for a project. Couldn't get one in quite quick enough, so with lead times where they're at, and so we stole that for a quick job. And that is it for today. Hopefully another year we'll have at least 50% more going on in here if I have my way, because this is kind of my toy room.